In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Crossplay on Remnant 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some months ago, Remnant 2 received full crossplay support, meaning that you will be able to play between various different platforms. So even if you are on PC and you have a friend who is on PlayStation, another one who is on Xbox, and so on, you will be able to play with friends from all of those platforms together at the same time. So you will have to set up crossplay by connecting an Epic Games account. This is going to be true for basically all platforms. So all that you have to do is open Remnant 2 on any platform, and everyone who is going to be playing together has to link an Epic Games account. So pause the game at any point, and usually at the top left corner of the screen when you open your character window, you will be able to find the option to link an Epic account. As the name suggests, this is where you will be able to sign in with your Epic credentials and get the link process started. So input the details about a valid Epic account, and once all of the credentials have been included and you verify the account, you will be able to have it linked. With the Epic Games account link, you are basically good to go. Now, if you look at there again, you will find the option to open the social panel. So hold the specific button to open the social panel, and at the right side of the screen, you will be able to find your friends. So go over to the Add Friends tab. Usually it is going to be the second option, and you can look for them using their Epic Games ID. When you find them, send them an Epic Games invite they will be able to receive by opening the same social menu, and once they accept, they will be able to join your party and play together. Now everyone can join the same lobby on Remnant 2, and you will be able to play together by inviting each other to the same session. You just have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the game, that you connect an Epic Games account, and that you add each other to your Epic Games social friends list. I hope I was able to help you on how to play crossplay on Remnant 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.